Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Netflix app freezing on mobile. If the Netflix app keeps on freezing, first check your phone's storage. Low storage can cause apps to lag or freeze. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, start closing all the background apps, and then reopen Netflix. Too many running apps can slow down performance. Next, head over to your app store, search for Netflix. After that, check if you have updated to the app to the latest version or not. If not, make sure to update it because it will give you the latest version and all the bug fixes. Performance issues are often fixed in updates, so update it. Now, restart your phone to clear temporary system files. This helps to improve overall app stability. If Netflix still freezes, uninstall the app. To uninstall, long press on the Netflix app icon, then click on remove app, then delete the app. To reinstall, go ahead and open your app store, search for Netflix and reinstall it from there. Now, after the reinstallation, sign in and the app should run smoothly, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.